Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. If O is the center of the circle and the angle ADC we have to find out here. So this is our angle ADC. We need to find this. Now in this figure we can see that if we'll join the chord AC. So if we join this chord AC, then we know an important property that a chord subtend twice angle at center than at the circumference of circle. So from here we can say that angle AOC, the central angle, this AOC is equal to twice of angle subtended at the circumference, that is ADC. We can see this chord AC is subtending angle AOC at the center and ADC at the circumference. So this is the relation. So from here we will get angle ADC as half of angle AOC, and AOC is given in the question as 60 degree plus 45 degree, because angle AOB is 60 and angle BOC is 45 degree. It is given in the question. So from here we obtain angle ADC value as 105 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 52.5 degree. So this is the value of angle ADC, and this is what we have to find in the question. So angle ADC is 52.5 degree, which is option C. Therefore we can say that the answer is option C.